Hey y'all, so I got something in the mail. Now if you aren't familiar with the telfar brand, the brand telfar, it's made by a black queer designer named Telfar Clemens. I definitely just got this bag because it's popular. When I went on the website, there was a drop coming in like 2 days, and it was an opportunity to support black businesses. Black designers, black creators, always what I want to do. I got the medium ox blood. I'm really excited. I've held this for like 3 weeks, probably like 2 weeks, because I was waiting until I got my hair done. Is that bad? I have a dust bag. Does that make me official? I think so. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. That's the bag. It feels really nice. One thing I did see on reviews is that it doesn't have the little feet on it, which is kind of sad. I'm opening it up a little bit more. Honestly, I feel like it looks a lot bigger on the outside than it is on the inside. It looks really spacious in here, but I'm not as overwhelmed by the space as I thought I was gonna be. So you have like the big long strap, you have you have two long straps. Actually, I didn't know that. I thought it was just one. I'm struggling. Inside the bag, you have a little zipper pocket. You have the Telfar logo hanging here, and then you have the zipper pocket, and it's super deep. I love that. I just love this color. And I have the Valentine's dunks with like the burgundy swoosh in them. The fits with the dunks and the telfie. Thanks for watching. Definitely want to buy more. I thought I was gonna be against the small one, like the smaller one, but I think I actually want to try the smaller one too. Not because I don't like the size of this. I actually love the size of this, but I want to see how the small one is too. So I don't know if I want to buy any black or white. I definitely don't want to buy a white bag, but I don't even think I want to buy the black. I think when I get another one, I want a color. I want like another, like a green or a blue. I want them to be like staple pieces and outfits. So make sure you guys like the video, comment below, comment if you have any telfar bags, how many you have, what colors you have, and how you like them. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye.